Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes, and guys, this video is well overdue, and your girl gonna make some Jamaican beef patty, and then I'm gonna add some sliced cheese to make it cheese patty as well. I'm not gonna make a lot, I'm only gonna make few, and if you wanna make more, just double up on the recipe. All right, let's get into the video. And you want your butter well cold. All right, even you can put it in the freezer for a few minutes until you're ready for it. I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour here. As I said, I'm not going to make a lot. 1 tablespoon sugar, ½ teaspoon salt. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon baking powder. I like to mix my turmeric and my curry. All right, so this is my curry powder. I'm gonna go in with 1 teaspoon curry and then 2 teaspoon turmeric. So 1, 2. So I'm gonna go in with 1 Maggi vegetable cube just for extra flavor. Ooh, this one tough. There you go. This is what I'm using it from, 1 pound of butter. All right, and if you cut it in 2, you get ½ pound, and I cut it again, so I'm using 1/4 pound of butter. So basically I'm using 1 stick of butter. Okay, so I'm gonna use half from that 1 stick of butter. All right, and I'm gonna grate it here. So when you have it like this, just go on in with your hand and just coat it over a little bit. All right, once I coat over those butter pieces, I'm going to leave the butter pieces as is, right, because I shred it. Okay, and I have 1 cup of water. I'm going to mix from this. All right, ice water. Now you want it cold. I think that's it. So basically I have about ½ cup left, guys, ½ cup of water. Now I'm just gonna dust my surface. We don't want too much flour on it, okay, just to make sure it's not sticking. And I'm gonna wrap it. You can put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes to ½ an hour, or you can put it in the freezer for like 15 minutes. All right, and then I'm gonna come back. Here I have my ground beef in the pan. I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna add like 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon paprika. This is my ginger paste. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna put a little bit of crushed pepper. You can season it up before or after, guys, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put some black pepper. And I don't put any oil because oil gonna spring from the beef, and this is the extra lean. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of my garlic paste. I will leave a link to these, guys. This is my blended seasoning. I'm gonna put like 1 tablespoon, and I'm gonna mash everything. I'm also gonna put 1 onion, and I have some frozen green onion or scallion. I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna put my Maggi cube or Maggi vegetable stock. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. I'm gonna put about 1/3 cup of water. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons cornstarch. This will help to thicken it up a little bit. I'm gonna cut some scotch bonnet pepper in it. I freeze them, guys, so it's easier and they won't spoil. You can put more or less, it's up to you. If you don't like it spicy, don't put too much. When it's almost done, guys, I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Optional, you don't have to put it, but the ketchup gonna add a little bit extra moisture to it. I'm gonna tip like another tablespoon of water, and I'm just gonna let the ketchup cook a little bit in it, and that's it, guys. Alright, my peeps, this is it when you turn the stove down low. Can you see the goodness? It takes about, say, 20 to 25 minutes for it to be all cooked, and it's all done. You can even go up to half an hour if you want, it's up to you. So now I'm going to turn off the stove, and I'm just going to leave it to cool. I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm going to spread it out a little bit. Make sure you flour the surface so it doesn't stick, alright? And flour your rolling pin, and I'm going to roll it. And I'm going to grate it on it. And now I'm going to do the first fold, okay? So I'm going to fold it like that. Then I'm going to fold it like this. And then I'm going to fold it back like that. And I'm going to roll it again. I'm going to go in with some more butter. And I'm going to roll it again. Or fold it. And I'm just going to roll it this way one more time. Alright guys, so when you have it like this, I'm going to fold it like that. Alright, and I'm going to wrap it again. And I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. As I said, you can put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes or about 20-25 minutes in the refrigerator. And then I'm going to come back. I'm back. And I'm going to roll it. I'm going to put a little bit more butter. And I'm going to just fold it. And I'm going to fold it again. And I'm going to put it back in the fridge. This time maybe I just put it back for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, when you roll it out to the thickness you want to work with it before the butter starts to melt. You can go ahead and you can make some circle, but I'm just gonna make some even Steven. Cut it down like that, and you don't want to throw away this, you can use it after, okay? I'm gonna cut it down the middle like this first. I'm gonna cut it like that, and then I'm gonna cut it like that, just like that. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set these pieces aside a little bit because I want to roll it a little bit more. All right. You want to have a little bit of water on deck. And you want to place it in the middle. Now you want to take your water and you just want to wet it. You can use egg wash. Wet the sides, and you want to fold it over and press it down a little bit. Make sure you close the sides first. I'm preheating my oven at 350. I'm gonna take my cutter and I'm gonna cut it, just curve the corners. You wanna get a bowl with a little bit of flour like that, and then you wanna go ahead and you wanna press the sides. And you can just cut it, make it a little bit even and nice. And I grease my baking sheet, and I'm gonna just place it here. I'm gonna do the same thing, press the sides. Just like that, guys. A little bit of flour on the fork and press it down just to seal in the pie filling inside, or the filling inside. There, you're sealing the filling inside, guys. All right, and that's it. If you want to make it neat, you go ahead and take off those extra pieces, and there you have it. I'm gonna use 1 egg. I'm gonna take the whites out. I don't like the whites in it. And to this, I'm making some wash. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of water, and I'm gonna beat this. And now I'm just gonna add it to it, and this one will let it have a nice color and it won't dry it out. Okay, you can put milk if you want. All right, my peeps, and this is it. I'm gonna pop them in the oven for 25 minutes to half an hour, and then I'm gonna come back. Yeah, look at this goodness. So that's it, guys. Yay, after 30 minutes they're done. They're still hot, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna transfer some of them. I'm just gonna cut this in 2. Look at this, guys. You see that goodness? All right, now you want to take your cheese, put it there, and close it back. All right, and that's how you get Jamaican cheese patty. All right. Woo, cheese not melt yet, guys, but let's cut this a little bit so you can see it. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. This is it. This is the final result. Oh mama mia. Super delicious. Woo, look at that. And when you start to eat it, oh my god, the flakes just start to break apart. Look at that, super soft, and the meat filling inside, super yummy, well seasoned. All right, guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Look at that, guys.